Okay, YouTube world. People were requesting I make another video of the progress that I've made. So I'll start off. I have Metro North, and I have 10 car subway sets we'll get to. But kind of show you, I got the UN building, I got Empire State Building, Twin Towers, a couple other buildings back there. Give you an idea. And still trying to make my scenes. I got the number 2 train, which you can see, 10 car set. It's parked at the station right now. And I got a few freight trains, each one pulled 20. I got Amtrak under there hiding. Then I got the Rock Yard, messing around, seeing what to do with it. Still building. And then here's my -9 and -8. They said they were 20 car sets. I got my Acela Express, and he just sits there in this parking space. And then I got my number 3 train. And then I got my number 5. Let's see if I can get a picture of that in the front. And that one I'm using as a museum train. That's 2 10 car sets. Then we come over here, there's another wing of mine. Got a pretty decent sized layout. KFC, school buses, got my fire going. I'm gonna put a light in there, make it flash. Come over here, my mountain. Then I got another wing, another station that I'm working on, trying to get to it. And I got my MTA buses and cabs and trucks, tunnels. I got my little fake projects going on. Plenty of them in New York. And then I'll come over here and take a picture of downtown that I made. Of course, there's always traffic. You can see parking bridges, sky crane building, one of the parking spaces for freight, and just workloads. Then there's my tunnel, another tunnel for the trains, another train station. That's my number 6 line, which I'll come up to. Here's my brown number 6 line, Pelham Bay Park. And then I'll come over here. That's my number 4 train. And another parking space. Got my worker trains. And that's my vacuum cleaner. It's not a good one. You run it too long, it just shuts off. Gotta think about something to do with that. It's not really easy to clean tracks. But anyway, it's another train station I'm building. I gotta get to. And here's my parking yard, the MTA parking lot for the trains. And then I just built these tracks with the railings and everything. And then that's one of the tunnels that go down and it goes under, and then run under the set. So what I'll do is I'll run the trains so that way you can see them all in action. And for the HO scale MTH version, you can use regular power packs. For the prototypes or the protos, you have to build special pallets packs, or else they will not run 10. So the first one, the number 6 line, I kind of changed the lighting on it. I like the white lights. I know some people don't like it, but I like them. And you can see it coming now. I'll place the camera here so you can see them. I would try to run all of them right now, but it's kind of hard to see them, especially with this camera. There's my number 10. Then I have him going down, and he comes over here. You need three power engines, because if you try to run 10 cars and only run one, it'll never do it. And you'll see it pop up over here. And as you see, even with 3 on a hill, it'll kind of struggle. But it'll go up eventually. And you can listen to it, it sounds like them. And then I'll turn these 2 on. My museum train is number 5. And then I got the number 3, because they don't take too much power. They'll run right off the regular ones. Then I run my number 4, which is way back over there at my other wing. Got a pretty decent sized layout. And you'll see him go. And you see they kind of cross each other, number 6 and number 4, but one goes under. And then I'll come over here and I'll pull my number 2 line out. And I'll stand back, because then you can see the number 4 line coming under. And there's number 6 and the number 2. And then here comes number 3 in the picture, going into the station. So I still got a long way to go, but they wanted me to make another video to see my progress. And then over here I'm still messing with my Metro North. Here's number 4 coming up again. And then here's my Metro North. Yeah, I had to paint that engine because trying to buy one, they want $300 for it, and I'm not willing to buy it. So a little bit of paint, and I think it looks pretty good. And even the last one is New Jersey Transit. But I painted them to look like Metro North. And it works out good. There's my number 6 and number 5. So there's my 10 car sets. Gives you a pretty good idea of how much I'm doing. And in another video, I'll run the Dash 9s and the freight trains. But for now, this is what I got. Hope you like it. Let me know if there's any ideas. Thanks for watching. And there you go. You got the number 4 and number 6 line crossing each other. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Here's my set. And there you go.